Okay, so today I have my daughter with me in the room because my husband is out, so please don't mind if her head just pops in and out of the video. Anyway, so today I'm gonna be doing a different video format than the ones that I've been doing. Obviously because this is an unboxing video and this is a gadget review kind of video, and it's not every day that I get to buy a gadget. It's been 4 years since I've had my iPhone 6 and it's about time that I finally change it because it was dying on me. It's actually performs still really well, but for my usage it was just not enough anymore. So yeah, it's actually a huge feat that I was able to stick with this for 4 years. Back in college, I used to have my phone change every year or every year and a half, so malaking accomplishment na to. Before I continue on with this video, I just want to acknowledge the fact that from this point on, and then to a certain point, there is going to be lipstick on my teeth. So anyway, without further ado, let's get right into the unboxing. By the way, I just also want to quickly add that I am not an expert when it comes to the techie world, and I'm not really well versed with the terms, but I will do my best to share with you guys my experience with the unboxing and as well as my usage for it for 1 whole week. So yeah, balik tayo sa unboxing. Okay guys, so this is the iPhone SE. On the side of the box it says iPhone, and then here at the back, well, it obviously has the Globe SIM card because I got this as a free phone. Not really free, I had to pay 12,000 for this. So it was a phone that came with a plan. So let's remove that to the side. The back, it just says a few details about the phone. This is a 64 GB white iPhone SE. I think you're supposed to, excuse my ugly hands, pull this up. Well, that's convenient. Yes, this is so convenient, guys. At least I don't have to use scissors to open this up, because then it will destroy or damage the box. Okay, this just easily pops out. Then it says here, designed by Apple in California. What is this? Okay, just some pamphlets, and this is the, I don't know what you call this, but it's the pin that will help you press the SIM card drawer, whatever you call that. And then there's Apple stickers as usual. And then this is the gadget itself, the iPhone SE. Let's move the others to the side first. So this is the phone itself. How do you remove that? Oops, there's a dead ant. How do you remove this safely? Oh, there's a little tab right here that you can pull up. And I don't want to remove the protective covering first, so that, you know, in case it falls, nothing will really scratch. And then here at the back, it's color white, as you can see. It's a very sleek design. I chose white because I was choosing between this and the red one, but then I thought, if I get the red, I'll easily get sick of that color. So at least for white, it can be easy to just change the cases when you kind of get tired of how it looks. Okay, so let's put that to the side. You have a charger. Oh, wait! I was expecting, are these the okay. I thought these were the AirPods, but no, they're not. They're just regular earphones, which thank God they are, because I cannot deal with AirPods. They'll probably just go missing. Okay. So far, so good. Pretty convenient and organized. Yeah, so the charger is here as well. Oh no, this is not the charger. It's still the earphones. It just looks like the charger, the plug. It's not the regular earphone jack that you are familiar with, this looks like the charger, but it's not. So this connects here. Ah, okay, wala siyang earphone jack. Oh. Ganyan lang talaga. But yeah, I'm glad this is not the AirPods. And this is the charger, obviously. So that's about it. Okay, so I'm just gonna remove this plastic at the back because I know you guys want to hear that. Ah! If I remove this pala, the front gets removed, so let's put that back on. Let's just turn it on first. How do you turn this on? Okay, this is the power button, right? So you just turn it on, right? Do I need to charge it? Oh no, okay. It is on, you guys. It's taking a while. Hello. Press home to open. I also like that it has this home button. Wait, why does it not work? Oh yes, it works! It's the kind that you can press, you guys. I hate when you can't press the home button. Select your country. Let's go to the Philippines, because obviously that's where I live. Okay, yeah, I probably need to do this off cam, but yeah, I definitely have to set this up first. And I'll come back for you guys later. Wait, before I go, just to give you guys the satisfaction of hearing it, since I have a tempered glass somewhere there waiting. Yes. Okay, wait lang, pose. Okay, so I have the phone in my hand and look po, ang galing oh. Sorry, sobrang jologs ko ba? Pero ngayon ko lang na-experience yung pag-i-lift mo yan. Automatic, turns on. I don't even have to press anything. But anyway, I have the bare phone in my hand. I removed the case. I removed even the tempered glass because it did not fit well. It's been a week since I've used this phone and I just want to share with you guys some notable points when it comes to its performance. So Apple released the iPhone SE 2020 as a more affordable product in their product line compared to the other giants that they have, the iPhone 11, iPhone 11 Pro, iPhone whatever, XR, kung ano tawag sa kanya. If you buy this from the Apple Philippine website, then you will get this for around 26,490 for a 64 GB, okay? So this is already pretty cheap compared to the other iPhones which are around. Let me quickly research that for you. The iPhone 11 Pro is... It's 67,990 and I think this is just for the 64 GB. So that's easily more than twice of the price of this iPhone SE. I did, however, get this from Globe as an add-on gadget, and it was 12,000 pesos cash out for the 1,299 monthly plan. The reason why I compare the price of this with the iPhone 11 Pro is that it actually uses the same chip as the iPhone 11 Pro, which is the A13 chip, which means that it'll perform faster for lesser battery consumption. Am I right? Yeah, lesser power consumption. So, ayun, I guess ibig sabihin mas mabilis siya and it won't really run out of battery that fast. With that said, yung battery muna. It's not stellar battery, like whoa, I'm able to use this for like 2 days in a row without charging. No, it's not like that. At the most, I was able to use it for 3/4 of a day with intense usage. I guess it can last a day or a bit more if your usage isn't that intense. But again, I had to test it out, so I kind of had an excuse to use it most of the time. Battery life, it's not stellar, but it's also not that bad. So as you can see, this is the hardware. In the front, it's black. What do you call this again? I know may tawag sila dito but this is black. And then, obviously, this is white. I think this is glass as well. Yeah, this back is glass. It also comes in black and red. So medyo na-tempt ako kunin yung red. But I was like, no, this is too loud. I needed something a bit more neutral. The build, on the other hand, is the same as the iPhone 7 and the iPhone 8. So it's the same size. It also has the same home button here, which you can see in my unboxing video. I thought was a legit button, but apparently it just uses haptics, which basically enhances the interaction between the user and the screen. So when I press it, it vibrates and makes it feel like I'm pressing something, but I'm not. So that's pretty cool. Now the camera or the photos is where it comes a bit tricky. The first time I took a photo, I thought, wait lang, bakit ang blurred? Isn't this supposed to have, silent ka muna, okay? Isn't this supposed to have sharper images? Or at least, you know, better photo quality than my iPhone 6? But it all seemed kind of blurry every time I took a photo. So I then realized that it's not the photo that has the problem, but it's the way that it was displayed on the photos gallery. I will insert a photo somewhere over here so that you guys could understand what I'm saying. Because I know there's nothing wrong with the photo, because when you zoom in the photo, it's nice and sharp and clear. But when you zoom it out, it kind of got blurry. So this was more of, I think, an iOS problem rather than a phone problem. I don't think it's the phone's fault. It was more of an iOS thing where I had to adjust a lot of things. I had to restore this phone 3 times just to get that quality I wanted on the display in the gallery. So it was kind of confusing, blah blah blah. It was not the most smooth experience that I had hoped for. Anyway, I got it fixed, and the photo qualities are great. It has a 12 megapixel camera at the front. Obviously, it doesn't have 3 cameras like the iPhone 11 Pro. It only has 1 camera, but the quality is still great. And then it also has what it calls this portrait mode, where it kind of detects the face and then blurs out the sides. So yeah, I took a quick photo earlier and then I'll insert it here. So that was the front cam. Let's try the back camera. I'm gonna ask my daughter, who's trying it out right now. I'm gonna ask my daughter to take photos of me so that you guys can see the difference of the quality between the front and the back cam. Let's test it out. Insert video of the front cam. Hey guys, so this is the video for the front cam, and it seems to be blurring out most of my imperfections. Obviously, you can still see my pimple here, and then maybe if I zoom it in, ayan no, my allergies over here. But at least hindi ka mukhang swanjay, diba? Ang ganda ng mukha mo with this video. This one, on the other hand, is the back camera. This is filming at 720p or 1080. Oh gosh, I know nothing. What's that? It's HD though. So those were the photos and videos. Now for the other feature that I am very thankful for, is actually water resistant. I saw one of the reviews, which I'm not gonna do in my phone obviously. They ran the iPhone SE under tap water. So yeah, you saw that, and it was still working even after. And then,
but you need to dry it first before you charge it.
Yeah, you need to dry it first, obviously. And then they also dipped it in a sink full of water.
Yeah.
They removed it, dried it out, everything still worked perfectly fine.
Yeah.
So,
but after drying it out, they charge it, right?
They what?
They said that you needed to dry it.
Yeah. So you have to dry it first before you plug in the charger.
But why?
Ganun talaga. I think it will, what they call, do a short circuit. I'm not sure. Whatever. So yeah, that's about how far my knowledge on gadgets and phones can take me. It's very fast. I think if I have any complaints, it's just more of the iOS. It's just not as user friendly. It's not as of a smooth experience as the old iOS. I think again this was the one I had in my 6 was an iOS or an iOS 10. And yeah, this is a great phone, a budget phone if you guys want to dabble into the Apple Mac kind of world but don't want to spend too much on anything yet. This is a great starter phone. So that's it for this unboxing slash review of the new iPhone SE. I hope you guys found it useful, even though I'm not the best expert out there when it comes to phones, but I did try. And yeah, that's it. I hope to see you soon in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and click the bell to get notifications on my new videos. Bye! Hey!